Very hot out today. Wow. I was surprised how hot it was. Lordy, lordy. Well, anyway, so we're out here with the Evo 2. And
Start
we're gonna
recording.
just fly it around here a little bit. I haven't flown it in a while, so since that update.
The home point has been reset.
Hey, it still flies. And the ducks are not happy, okay? The ducks are, oh no, those aren't ducks, they're geese. Don't see no train action happening today. I'm not hearing nothing yet. Oh, there's my reflection shot. I just heard some big fish. I was just on that trail right over. Get over there in a second, I'll show you. Over there. Right, that trail is over that way, right over there. You can see some of it. I was coming down the one hill. And there's the bridge that I crossed over there. It's over there. Trust me, it's down there. There's the first bridge I was at. And the other bridge I was at was right down there. Now that maximum altitude has been reached. That was me. I said that. That wasn't when I was over there at that Pioneer Park. Has some kind of limit over there. It's like 300 feet. Anyway, there's that old factory I was just at when I was on the Pegasus. There it is right there. And then there's the bridge I crossed over there. You know, doing the trail thing, you know, so that's the bridge I want to cross right there. So yeah, nice. It's good that you can come over here and go up and see all this crap from up here. And this over here is some railroad stuff. I mean, I'm not sure, you know, what the story is with that. Now, you know, this area is by that old factory I always fly at, but the problem is they're open today. So I went over there, believe me. I drove over there, but it was, they had the door open and forklifts going in and out and all that crap, you know. You can hear the Evo, even with the new props. Okay, so it still makes noise. And the ducks are still chilling. Let me just go look down on them here. Look, you should see them right down there. Wait a minute, oh, there they are right there. See them? They're getting out of the way. Oh, they're not liking it. Okay, I better not do something stupid. I don't want to bother nature, okay? Okay. Now, I was wondering the last time I flew this, what was going on with this thing. I turned off the optical avoidance the time I was flying it over there at the shopping center. But what happened was when I did the update, it put it back on. And I didn't know about it. And I was wondering why it was acting like it was acting the last time I flew it, you know. I was like, why is it doing this? because I had sworn I had taken that optical avoidance off. And I did, but the update put it back on. Them sneakos over at Autel. Autel sneakos. Plus it goes a lot faster without that. I noticed that. Looks like I've been bringing some heavy equipment over here. Yeah, I don't like the obstacle avoidance on. Especially when I'm in these little tight areas like this where it's all these leaves and all this crap. You know, I can steer the thing myself. You know, if you watch what you're doing, you really don't even need that. Let me get over here so I can land in the mud because it won't kick up none of that dust. Let me stop the video.
Stop recording.
Okay. Who the hell's calling? An Ivy. Alright guys, there you go, man. Evo 2, it's a classic. Okay, have a nice day.